Welcome! Today I am with LG NanoCell TV and I will show you how we can switch off this TV. We get two methods and it's very simple. So the first one, we can basically just tap on the power button on our remote control. And so when we make it, the TV will be turned off, right? But if you have had some problems with your remote control, you can also use another way. So let's turn it on back. I mean, we got also the three ways, right? Because we can turn it off by using remote control. We can switch it off by using, unplug the cable from the electricity, just like that. And it's also turn it off. And the last one, we can use the button under this, on the red notification dot right here. So we can simply, here we can start under the TV, the button, so you have to click and hold it. And when you make it, the TV will be turned off. So there we got the three ways how we can switch off this TV. And if you found this video helpful, remember to like, comment and subscribe to our channel.